Now moving on to some national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today condoled the loss of life in the horrific Jhansi hospital fire where 10 newborn babies died in the children's ward. At least 10 newborn babies died due to burns and suffocation in a devastating fire in the neonatal intensive care unit NICU of Maharani Lakshmi Bai Medical College last night. In an ex post by the Prime Minister's office, PM Narendra Modi termed the incident heartbreaking and heart-wrenching. The Prime Minister, while conveying deepest condolences to those who have lost their innocent children in the fire, also prayed for strength to be able to bear the immense loss. Meanwhile, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced an ex gratia amount of 5 lakh rupees for the parents of the babies who died, while 50,000 rupees will be given to the injured babies' families. On the other hand, President Murmu also condoled the death of children in Jhansi hospital fire while also praying for the recovery of the injured babies.